So excited to announce our new Vgroove smooth profile in our Selflok range. This particular board is 300 high by 3660 in length in a 150 profile. Traditionally, we've got our natural board Vgroove. However, by popular demand, this smooth new Vgroove has been introduced, as you can see in this particular job over here. Our weatherboard range is traditionally used to be installed horizontally. When doing so, with our new Vgroove smooth profile, we do have our matching joiner. This new and exciting profile is perfect for external walls, ceilings, and internal areas. For further information and free samples, visit the WeatherTech's website.